Okay, so today I want to show you guys, this is my 2003 Infiniti FX35 that I bought from Copart. Bought it as sight unseen, and it is a run and drive. So we'll start it up to see how it sounds. So it runs pretty good. I got it delivered on Monday. The only thing I've had to do is get a new radiator. The one that was in it was busted. It was leaking coolant. So other than that, it's been sitting all week. This is gonna be my project vehicle, so I'm gonna be working on it. Let me show you a little bit more of it. It's in okay shape. The dash is cracked pretty bad. I think that's a common problem for the early FX35s. Inside is pretty dirty. The seats are ripped, which most Nissans and Infinitis around this time, the seats are ripped on them. Also forgot it has 160,000 miles, just in case you didn't see the odometer. This one has backup camera on it. It has the Bose sound system, sunroof, DVD player. So this one's pretty fully loaded. Also has heated seats. It drives pretty good. Transmission shifts okay. So it's in pretty decent shape. As far as I know, it needs struts, hood hinges, hood struts, front brake pads and rotors, and rear shocks. And I think also the rear main seal is leaking a little bit, but the guy told me it wasn't too bad. So overall, not too bad. So in the future, I'm going to be cleaning it up, detailing the inside, make it look a little better. It's a little dirty. Also, bear with me. This is my first video, so I'm going to have more videos in the future. So if you like the video, if you want to hear more about the story of this FX35 or the journey, just like and subscribe or comment below.